Hello everyone, today we are going to see such kinds of a multimeter. It can range up to 1000 DC voltage and AC voltages, and it's a range on itself. But you can see the next multimeter. This multimeter, you have to set the ranges on your own. So you need to have a little knowledge about a voltage, and you have you maximum range and higher range. You need to know about that. But on this multimeter, it doesn't have to know the range. Just set it on AC and you can test AC. You can test diode mode, continuity and resistance without not making any range. It's simple for beginners and it's easy to use. So on this meter, we have to set a range around 2 volt if we test 1 volt, around 20 volt if we test a 6 volts, 200 volt if we test around 100 volts, and also 1000 volt if we can test around 500 or something like that. So this meter is nice for beginners. So you can test a continuity, diode mode, voltage and others. Let's test a DC voltage on this battery. How much voltage is up here? There's no voltage on this battery now. As you see, there is no any voltage on this battery. So as you see, now I will try next battery. The next battery have around 3.606 voltage. So as you see now, this battery have 3 voltage. So I can detect also the positive and the negative terminal with my multimeter. If I change the probe and if I put it the plus to the plus, the minus to the minus, and it doesn't give me a negative. So I can know with this meter which part of the battery is plus and which part of the battery is negative also. Let's test this Samsung battery, A8 battery. So as you see, now I'm going to get the plus. As you see, it have 3.828 voltage. So when I change the probe, it's actually saying 3.87. So this battery have around 8 voltage. Now we can test a diode mode with this meter. Can test diode modes. If you make diode, I can test a diode mode on this, and also I can test ohm. So this resistor have 47 ohm, and this resistor will going to have 0.51 ohm. So it's simple and easy to test with this multimeter. So as you see, I'm going to test a diode mode, and if I change the probe, it doesn't have to give me a number. You have to say OL. So this diode is very good. So it's simple to use this meter for testing electronic components and also many things.